Good evening. How are you? I am fit and fine. Do you like magic tricks? Just imagine on a bright sunny day, it gets dark all of a sudden. What will you call it? Magic. But do you want to know the real reason behind it? It is solar eclipse.
Look, children, this is how our Earth looks from space. There are 8 such planets about which you will learn in bigger classes. Our Earth is one of the many planets that move around the Sun. Now, here is our Chanda Mama. This is our Moon. Just like the Earth moves around the Sun, the Moon moves around the Earth. Isn't it pretty? And hey, what's this? Yes, this is sun, our natural source of light. Can you see this red dot with a blue and white dot in it? The blue dot is earth and the white one is moon. See how they are moving around the yellow sun which is in the center? The earth is moving and the sun rays are falling on it. Now just think, if the moon comes in front of the sun and thus causing a shadow to fall on some parts of our earth. This is solar eclipse when all three are in a straight line and moon is in the center. The moon covers or blocks a part of the sun's light and it creates a large shadow on earth. So, a solar
You know the area where the shadow of the moon falls? In those areas, the birds they start chirping even before the eclipse has occurred, as if they can sense it that it is about to happen. Actually, the darkness makes them feel that it is already night, and they start singing the good night songs. So here is a suggestion for all of you that how you can understand this phenomena by doing a simple experiment with your parents. Let's see.
All you need is a torch to show sunlight, a big ball which we will call earth, and a small white ball or a paper ball that will become moon. So, by bringing the moon between the sun and earth, we can show the children how the shadow falls on some portions of the earth. And this is called a solar eclipse. If we are in the area where the shadow is falling, then we will feel that it is night during daytime.
So, hope you enjoyed our video. And in case you try this experiment at home with your parents, do share with me by 12 noon tomorrow. Also, tomorrow is a solar eclipse. But remember, the most important part, do not go out of your house when the eclipse is happening. The rays might be harmful for your eyes. So watch the eclipse on your TVs, laptops, mobiles. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.